Today we're cleaning a messy kitchen. Want the party? Someone wants me to take them to the party. You put? You want me to wipe your bumper? You don't want? You want your pants? You want to pull up your pants? Okay, that's it. Yeah. Goodbye. See you later.
So I usually don't pour everything on the sink. This is all the things that I've gathered from all the food stuff and all the dirt in the sink so that the drain can be clean. No dirt can go inside so that it cannot block. Now I'm going to dump it there outside on the dustbin.
Now we are back. Let's continue.
And since the water is not there, yeah, you can see there is water usually, but ilipotea jana. Now we have to use the backup that we have. I'll have to use 2 basins, one for washing, one for cleaning, rinsing, and the storage cabinet stuff. I put. Now I don't want the water to get on the cooker, so because my kitchen is very small, I'm closing the cooker just like that. It has a top, and I'm closing it so that I can place the basin on top here. You can see. And then this one is for washing, this one is for washing, this one is for rinsing. Yeah. Let's continue.
Now we are all done with the washing. You can see, all done with the wiping. All done, all done, all done.